In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Google. Then tap on All Services and scroll again to click on Autofill with Google here. Now select Google Password Manager. Click on the password you wish to delete and enter your login method. Now choose Delete button and last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!